Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete all Google Messages at once. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open Google Messages app on your Android phone, and you'll be taken to your main conversation list where your text message conversations are displayed. So find the conversation or find one of the conversations that you want to remove. And once you do that, just touch, okay, let's say that it's this. I don't have to open it, just touch and hold the conversation, and Google Messages will enter selection mode and the selected conversation will be mapped. Now, instead of opening each conversation, you can simply tap each additional conversation that you want to delete. So let's say, for example, I want to delete this one as well. Just go ahead and tap and continue tapping them. Now this is as you tap them, they will be added to your selection. This is much faster than opening conversations individually. So Google officially supports selecting multiple conversations this way. All right, so and there's something you need to know actually, that there is no select all option that automatically selects every conversation at the same time in the main inbox. If you have a larger number of conversations, you need to still select them manually. Now, after selecting all the conversations you want to remove, just look at the top screen and you see the trash icon. All right, so depending on your current Google Messages version and region, this will move the conversations to trash rather than immediately deleting them permanently. That's move to bin. So if Google Messages displays the confirmation prompt, which it did there, just follow the on-screen instructions and click on move to bin. So your selected conversations will be removed from the main inbox and it will be taken to bin. How do you permanently delete it? So click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and from here go ahead and select bin or trash. All right, so on some versions it can be trash, on some versions it could be bin. Now this is the most important part. If you want to permanently delete all conversations in bin, do not touch and hold any individual conversation. All right, so at the top of the screen you're going to see the trash icon with X. So just click on it, and then you have this prompt that says it is permanent and can't be undone. So click on delete, and that is it. It will be deleted completely. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps in. Once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.